Hey everybody, welcome to Agent CRM demo. In this video, I'm going to walk you around Agent CRM and show you all the features. In this section, we'll be talking about conversations. I'm going to show you what our conversations tab can do and all the features that are there. So as you can see here, our conversations tab is pretty well organized. You'll have a overview of unread, recent, and all conversations. In the left window, you'll see the name of your leads, contacts, whatever you want to call them, and then you'll be able to scroll through each one of the contacts. In the middle window, you'll have a full history of your conversations. Over here towards the right, you'll get a brief description of the contact's information. Now, the conversations tool has 5 means of communication: calling, texting, emailing, Facebook Messenger, that does include Instagram, and Google My Business. You're able to chat with your Google My Business clients on Agent CRM. Also within conversations, you'll see what's called manual actions. This is where your power dialers will be stored. You'll be able to click here and get a full list of all your power dialers. Let's close that. You can also sort this list by who owns the lead or contact by just clicking on the assigned user button. To get started with this feature, you'll hit Let's Start, and it will start dialing the contacts one by one. Welcome to the Calendars tool. In this feature, you are able to organize your day by having all your calendar appointments here on Agent CRM, but you're also going to be able to create web pages where clients and leads can book times with you throughout your day. So let's take a look at calendars. First off, calendars are super easy to use. It shows you a day feature, weekly features, and monthly features. So if I click anywhere on my calendar, I can automatically book an appointment. Boom. I can then click on a contact that I want to book my appointment with. I can choose which calendar I want to book my appointment with. This would be the best way to book appointments internally. Now let's check out how clients and leads can book appointments with you. If I go into my calendar section, you'll notice that I have what we like to call team calendars. If I click on the link, I actually get introduced to a web page that stores my calendars and the types of appointments people can book with me. Let's click on this one. This is the calendar name. So you'll notice I can choose a slot in the future, choose a time, hit continue, and someone would be able to type in their name, phone number, email address, and any additional information that they'll be using to book with you. And they'll book a scheduled appointment and you'll be all set. Welcome to the Contacts tool. Within Contacts, you are able to store a full database of leads and contacts. Now, this is a general area of where information is stored, but you can also create what we like to call smart lists. So say we want to create a smart list based off of a tag that we have on certain contacts. I can go to my more filters section. I can search up my tag option and select the tag that we want to sort our list by. I can then save this criteria and create what's called a smart list. This way, if I ever want to go back to the list again, I can automatically have a list stored on top of my contacts page with the contacts that qualify for the list. Let's go inside of a contact and see what that looks like. Here we have Mr. Hookie. On the left, you'll see his basic information, including name, email address, phone number. We can then go into general information, and in this tab, you'll see their address stored. And under additional information, this is where what we will call our custom fields are stored. You are able to create custom fields, and this area is completely customizable for you and your business. In the middle window, we have a full history of conversations. This will look very similar to our conversations tab. As you can see, from the time that person has entered your Agent CRM to current, you will have all the conversations with them. On the right side, you have what we call an activity, which is how leads and contacts interact with web pages you've published in Agent CRM. You'll have your tasks section where you can create new tasks for yourself regarding this contact. You can have notes where you can keep notes on your contact, and you can set appointments right from the contacts page as well. When you first sign up for Agent CRM, we give you pre-designed pipelines to go within your opportunity section. As you can see, this is very general, but at any point in time, you can specify what you want each stage to be. So let's look at what the cards do. So you can pick up the cards and drag them to any stage you like. Typically, when a lead comes into your system, they start on the all lead stage, and then you'll be able to pick them up and move them as they progress through your customer journey. You can pick up the cards and you can mark them as lost, abandoned, or won at any point in time. If you click on the card, you'll get a little bit more information about the contact. You'll get their name, their email address, phone number. You'll see any tags that they have. You'll also be able to manually move the card from pipeline and stages right from the info card on your pipeline. You can also adjust what pipelines you're seeing by clicking here. You can filter your pipelines by owner, and you can filter your pipelines by which campaign that they've originated from, which is very helpful. That's pipelines. Within the automation tab, we have 3 options. We have what we call workflows, we have campaigns, and we have triggers. Now, campaigns are a very simplified version of workflows. You're able to send out emails and text messages to all your clients. So this would be more so if you want a very simple way to send out an email drip, you would use campaigns. Triggers is a section where you can automate certain actions within the system. So this is very simple when you have something specific and short for when you want to automate. Now let's talk about workflows, my favorite. When you first sign up into Agent CRM, you automatically get a list of workflows. If you click into workflows, you'll see that it's actually combining the campaigns features and the triggers feature all into one section. Let's take a look at an example workflow that you may have. One of our most used workflows is our appointment scheduled workflow. When a client schedules an appointment with you, they are automatically imported into an appointment scheduled workflow. When they get added to this workflow, they will automatically get a tag called scheduled appointment. Then you as the user will receive a SMS notification. The system will actually text you to notify you that you have a new appointment. We then put them into a pipeline where they are marked new appointment, and then they start getting email reminders about their appointment. They get one email and a text initially, then the system will wait 24 hours before to send them a secondary text, and then 30 minutes before their appointment, they are receiving a reminder text as well. And that's our appointment workflow. Let's take a look at some of the other options you can use within workflows. You can schedule things such as sending emails, sending text messages. You can do ringless voicemails in workflows. You can also send automated messenger messages in workflows. Let's take a look at some of the actions you can do throughout your CRM. You can add contact tags. You can add notes to someone's contact. You can assign them to a user. That is actually perfect for when you're doing round robin assigning. And there's tons of other actions that you can automate throughout Agent CRM. Our sites are jam-packed with a lot of different tools that work together to create you funnels and other web-based elements. Let's take a look at the funnels feature. So as you can see here, you can create multiple steps throughout your funnels. This funnel that you're looking at is actually a final expense funnel that you can get for free when you sign up with Agent CRM. You'll be able to create new steps. You have stats. You can see how well your funnels are performing. We have sales where you can track any transactions going on within your funnel. And we have the settings feature behind your funnels where you can name it, add new domains, and customize any paths that you may want in your funnel. Within sites, you also have websites. If you want to design any websites, Agent CRM is able to host that. We have membership portal. If you have any online courses and want to design a membership portal, you can do that within the sites feature. We also have forms. Now, if you want to build and integrate forms in any of your funnels or websites that you have existing, you can build custom forms and integrate that within your web pages. We also have surveys. Surveys can be built out within Agent CRM, and you can integrate that within your funnels and your existing web pages. A cool feature that we have is a chat widget. Now you can integrate your chat widget into your funnels and any existing web pages that you have throughout the internet. This is a great way to get contacts quickly interacting with you. When you first sign up into Agent CRM, we offer what are called click and play library. Now, within the click and play library, you're able to access funnels, workplays, and company specific presets for your Agent CRM account. Let's check out the funnel section. Now, when you access your funnel, you're not only getting your funnel, but you're getting the correlating workflows and pipelines that go with it. Let's check out the workflows. We have prospecting referral partners and many more, including long-term drip campaigns where you can be contacting your clients on a long-term basis. For companies, we have anywhere between Family First Life to Primerica, State Farm. These are cool ways to get set up with company-specific tools that you need in your Agent CRM. Workflows are fun because it helps you not start from scratch within Agent CRM, but immediately you can get started with working with some of the best tools to help you turn Agent CRM into a money maker. Click and Plays is a great way to get ready tools into your system. Hopefully, when you sign up for Agent CRM, you're able to load them in and get started immediately. Within Agent CRM, you're not only getting tools to help your company, but you're getting a support team to help you as well. In the system, we have a button called support. Now, support is going to take you to a web page where you can find all the ways you can be supported by Agent CRM. We have 10 weekly Q&A calls. So twice a day, we're on Zoom, letting you share your screen and get help with complicated questions. We also have a full training course when you first get started with Agent CRM. We have videos that will help you learn each tool effectively. And you have a Facebook group so that when you get stuck, you can ask your questions on Facebook where our support staff and a full community will help you through. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope you love Agent CRM as much as we do, and we can't wait to work with you.